going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. It's Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025. It is 10 minutes to 6 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. And I am outside our shop here located in Woodmere, New York at 1010 Central Avenue. What a glorious building I have. And a beautiful fleet of vehicles. But, as they say, when the cat's away, the mice shall play. I've been away since Thursday in the great state of Florida, governed by the Governor Ron DeSantis. Got there Thursday afternoon. Met up with Johnny Sunshine, a.k.a. John Phillips of John Phillips Plumbing of Sarasota, Florida. And I originally was going to get back on Sunday evening back to New York, but, well, I guess God had other plans for me. God had other plans for me, folks. Nonetheless, we have, I'm trying to pour sugar into the little espresso cup. See? The little espresso cup. We have an issue here at Pipe Doctor to resolve. What the fuck is this? Bed bug and flea fogger. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But we have an issue here to resolve. And let's just say that I don't like when there's not harmony amongst the team. When you lack harmony, right? And there's a cancer among us. Unless you cut out the cancer, there's going to be problems. You know? So I have a dilemma. There's an issue within us that I need to resolve. And unless I resolve it in a timely fashion, all right, we're gonna have problems. You know what I mean? So I need to nip it in the bud. And I don't like doing that because I am relied upon as being a person or the responsible party that provides for another. So I'm not happy about this. But unfortunately, that needs to occur. And fortunately, I'm blessed. I'm blessed with an amazing team. I got an amazing new office manager who's been with us for about a month now. She's learning. She's doing great. We have Daniel, my lead HVAC manager. We have Derek. We got myself. But I need to resolve an issue, and I'm going to resolve it today. There is, unfortunately, a job on the schedule for this particular person that is not going to be here by the end of the day. And there's also a job on the schedule for tomorrow. And have to make some adjustments to the schedule. It is what it is. So, unfortunately, I need to. Let me stop acting like incognito fucking mode, like you're on Google Chrome, right? Someone's not a team player, and they're gonna go. By the end of the day today, their shit's gonna be packed out of the truck, and they're gonna be gone. If you're not a team player, you're not gonna be at work in a pipe doctor. It's plain and simple, right? That's simple. So later today, I am going to terminate someone. No need to mention names. Doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. But when you get into like almost a fist fight in front of my building, when tempers are flaring like that, when you think you know everything, sorry, we don't know everything. So, it is what it is. That's my Tuesday, September 9th rant. John Phillips, we had a conversation about this, didn't we? On Friday. Yep. It is what it is. All right, folks. We have putting this Alta 2-zone today. Daniel and Derek, I believe, built it out a little bit yesterday. We're gonna mount this on a wall. Nice painted blue here. It's gonna really, really, really look tits! Tits! Recorder. All right. We're missing fittings, so unfortunately. We're missing fittings. And I ordered fittings, but we're missing fittings. I'm not that happy because we're missing fittings. But hopefully we'll be all right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me upload this video. And I gotta get to work. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. And if you're a plumbing and heating residential service tech in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you're tired of working for a mediocre company, I keep it real. I take care of the guys. And we get shit done. All right? And we don't really work that hard. It's a no-brainer for someone who's not going to lie about their experience and play well with others. You know, when you got that kindergarten report card, you know, and there were items there like plays well with others. Excellent, satisfactory, needs improvement, unsatisfactory. Well, if you could check off those last two, don't even fucking bother applying. I'm not going to waste my time, and don't waste my time, and don't waste your own. And please don't live in the Bronx, because you're not going to pay $30 a day in tolls and 2 hours a day in traffic to come to the office. It's not going to happen. Some people on Indeed are just retarded, I swear. Be well.